Wala pang natatanggap na kumpirmasyon ang sandataang lakas ng Pilipinas tungkol sa umano'y banta sa buhay ni Vice President Sara Duterte. Ito ang ipinahayag ni Colonel Margaret Prancel Padilla, tagapagsalita ng AFP.
As of this time, sir, wala pa po kaming confirmation on that. But I said, any po na statements that are given, we look into that. We have specialized units to verify these things.
Matatanda ang ipinahayag ng pangalawang Pangulo ang umano'y banta sa kanyang buhay noong nakaraang buwan sa isang Zoom press conference kung saan binantaan din niya sina President Ferdinand Marcos Jr., First Lady Lisa Marcos at House Speaker Martin Romualdez. Tiniyak ng AFP na nakahanda silang protektahan ng pangalawang Pangulo.
Sir, as I said, it is country and not color. Sa AFP, sir, we will be performing our duty to protect her no matter what. And we will ensure her that each of us can perform that duty. Kung sino man po yung i-detail sa kanya will be selected based on merits. And they will be professional and loyal po sa chain of command.
Samantala, nagsasagawa na ng investigasyon ng sandataang lakas ng Pilipinas sa posibleng kasong administratibo na maaaring makaharap nina Colonel Dennis Nolasco at Colonel Raymond Lachica na nasa Vice Presidential Security and Protection Group. Sa pagdinig ng mababang kapulungan ng Kongreso noong nakaraang buwan, sinasabing sina Colonel Nolasco at Colonel Lachica ang nag-disburse ng malaking pondo mula sa confidential fund ng Office of the Vice President at Department of Education.
This is an ongoing investigation. No? In our part for the Armed Forces of the Philippines, we're looking at the merits of the case on kung ano po ang pwede naming makita doon in terms of administrative issues that we have to address. And kung meron man, that's when we will be acting accordingly.
Nilinaw naman ng AFP na sumasailalim pa sa proseso at under transition pa ang pag-recall sa kanila. At sa ngayon, nasa Vice Presidential Security and Protection Group pa rin sila.
This is under process. They're not yet recalled as you had mentioned. Clarify ko lang nun. They're being replaced. No? So, if ever temporarily replaced as being mentioned by the Chief of Staff.
Ryan Lacanlale, UNTV News and Rescue. Diyos ang aming sandigan, serbisyo publiko ang aming pinahahalagahan.